Hello everyone, my name is Varun. This video is about traffic project for CS50 AI. I've already started training my neural network because it will take some time. In the meantime, let's get with the specifications. There are two specifications, load data and get model. The load data function should accept as an argument data directory, represent a path to the directory where the data is stored, and return image arrays and labels for each image in the data set. You may assume the data directory will contain one directory named after each category numbered 0 through num categories minus 1. Inside each category directory will be some number of image files. This was already given in the problem statement. This is the data directory inside which we have subdirectories 0 through 42, inside which we have image files. The next part of the specification is use the Python OpenCV module to read each image as a NumPy array, and each image should have a width of image width and image height. The function should return a tuple of images and labels. Image should be a list of all the images in the dataset, and a label should be a list of all the integers representing category number for which the corresponding images in the image list. As you can see, the os.lister will give us a list of all the file names and subdirectories present in a given directory. And we get a subdirectory path by using os.path.join or current directory, and for every value in os.lister, we get a subdirectory path by the statement. And after that, we go through every file in the subdirectory. We get the file path, and then we pass the file path or image path to IMRead method of CV2, and then we resize the image to image width and image height. We append the images to images list and corresponding labels to labels list, and then we return images label tuple. So that's these two, and your function should be platform independent. That is to say, it should work regardless of the operating system. Note that on Mac OS, the / is used to separate path components, while / is used on Windows. Use os.sub and os.path.join as needed, instead of using your platform-specific separated character. I've used os.path.join. I've not hard-coded the / because in Windows, as you can see, you have this /. And so this is platform independent because I've used os.path.join instead of hard coding /. Our model is still getting trained. Let's get to the second specification. It's a get model should return a compiled neural network. It will assume, you may assume input to the neural network will be of shape, image width, height, tree. The output layer should have num category units. As you can see, output has num category units. It's still training. And you may wish to experiment with different variations, different number of convolution and pooling layers, sizes and filters for convolution layers, different pool sizes for pooling layers, and different number and sizes of pooling layers and dropouts. I have experimented with different variations, and this was my final variation. Looks like we got 97% accurate. I've used convolution layer before pooling, and I've also used convolution layer after pooling because it increases accuracy of our model. I've also used pooling because it greatly reduces our computation time. And the last part of the specification is to have a readme.md document in which we document everything, what worked well and what didn't. I've documented it, all the things that that worked well and didn't work well. So that was my project. I hope you liked it. Thank you for listening to the very end.